After several weeks of well above average temperatures, this week we'll have a below average week, the coldest we've seen since February, even though that's not saying much. Right now, an upper level low pressure system is sitting over the Great Lakes region, with a few weak disturbances rotating around it. This will allow for continued light snow showers and some flurries today before the disturbance moves eastward, being replaced with temporarily warmer air for tomorrow. So while no accumulation is expected in Illinois, don't be surprised to see some flakes today, especially the closer you are to Lake Michigan. Some minor lake effect accumulations are possible across northern Indiana and Michigan though. Temperatures will only make it into the upper 30s today, but will be quite a bit warmer for Tuesday as strong southerly winds propel 50s back across the state. It'll be short-lived though, as a cold front will pass through Tuesday night, bringing a return to near to slightly below average temperatures for the rest of the week. Here you can see our current spill of cold air being quickly replaced by near to slightly above average air for Tuesday and early Wednesday. But unlike earlier this month, cold air spills back southward out of Canada quickly, with temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s through the weekend. So even though it'll be cooler than what we've seen, it won't be all that bad, and we are getting to late March after all, when highs are normally near 50. It'll be mainly dry too, with our next chance of precipitation not arriving until at least late Thursday. This will arrive as a hybrid system riding the temperature gradient, which will likely be nearby. Depending on the exact track, it could be a rain-snow mix, with the best chance for any snow being closer to Wisconsin. It's most likely this ends up being just rain for most of us, but we'll have to watch closely for a further south track that could bring us a little bit of snow. Next weekend, a much stronger system should develop out of the plains and push across the Midwest. This should be a much more significant system with rain, snow, thunderstorms, and heavy rain all possibilities. This is a look at the European model, which takes a system well north of us, giving us all rain and thunderstorms for the most part. This is a look at another model, the GFS, which is further south and has northern Illinois starting as wet snow on Sunday, switching to rain and embedded thunderstorms by Monday. We think the Euro outcome is more likely at this point, pointing to a rainier and warmer solution, but with us being in a bit of a cooler overall pattern right now, we can't rule out a shot at wintry weather. No matter the exact outcome, it appears now that this system will have a lot of moisture to work with lots of precipitation associated across a wide area. It could be one of those systems that brings severe weather to the south, a snowstorm across the upper Midwest, with rain and thunderstorms somewhere in the middle. A stronger storm system favors a further north track, which is why we're betting on an all-rain solution at this point. With this being a week away, confidence is low right now, but bet on an active and unsettled start to next week. But with plants already coming up across the state, we're watching it closely for any potential wintry impacts, as well as the potential for that system Thursday into Friday too. Our window for any snow could close rather quickly after this week as we progress into a warmer pattern as we head into April. An active spring pattern that bears watching. Stay tuned for more.